Welcome to our quick tutorial on starting a new year. This tutorial will cover copying information from the current year into the new year. First step is to go to your inputs page. Go to the inputs copy tab. Here you can copy your inputs from the current year into the next year. So first, select your source year. Then select your destination year. So I'll do it to 2025. Now I can go and checkbox every single category, and this will copy the inputs over. So it'll show the ones that I have selected on the right hand side in my destination year. If there's anything I don't want to copy over, such as my equipment rent, I can leave that out. Next, click Save. And now your inputs will be copied over. Next step is to go to your contracts page. If there are any contracts you need to carry forward, you can click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner and click Copy to Scenario, which then you can select the next year. So I'll select 2025. I'll click Copy. The next thing is go to your applications page. And if you have any templates set up for budgeting, you want to select those templates. Then click Copy Templates button. Again, you can select others here in this window as well. Then select the year to copy to. Select 2025. I'll click Copy Templates. If you want a more detailed review of getting started with the new year with previous year's data, click on the Help button in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on the How do I start a new year with previous year data? This will take you to a video link and you can learn more information there.